Many mergers and acquisitions fail, and it's not because the deal was a bad idea, it's because IT systems stayed disconnected. McKinsey found that over half of M&A synergy opportunities depend on IT, yet most companies delay integration planning. That's a costly mistake. As Jeffrey S. King, president of .net, puts it, IT integration isn't just a technical exercise, it's the architecture of transformation. When done right, it accelerates processes. IT integration isn't just about combining servers, it's about making sure your teams can share data, work together, and move fast, without mistakes or downtime. Done well, it protects your revenue and customer trust, speeds up market entry, and ensures your merger delivers the value it promised. That starts with planning. Map out every system, eliminate outdated tools, and close the gaps that could stall your progress. Keep security top of mind, especially during data transfers. Post-merger integration also depends on retaining key IT staff, training teams, and moving in phases. Don't try to do everything at once. Set clear goals, communicate often, and keep systems stable while you modernize. Today's mergers are too complex for spreadsheets and guesswork. Modern M&A software gives you automation, visibility, and control. It reduces risk and helps you stay compliant without slowing down your timeline. You'll also need to choose how you handle integration, in-house, hybrid, or fully managed. Each model comes with trade-offs, so choose based on your resources and how fast you need results. You can read the full article on our website, and don't forget, you can add this to your playlist so you can revisit it anytime.